Hey music director, do you know that building a choir that is not doing well is not about forcing sound? It's about facing structure, discipline, and musical understanding step by step. In this series, I will tell you 10 practical ways to raise a weak choir to a solid standard. Number 1, start with foundation, not songs. Many stronger choirs jump into songs too fast. Train breathing, posture, and voice control first. Teach them to stand correctly, breathe together, sustain simple vowels. If the foundation is weak, harmony will always be unstable. Number 2 practical ways of fixing a weak choir. Teach unison before harmony. Don't start with SATB immediately. Let everyone sing one melody together. Fix pitch accuracy and timing. Then introduce parts, alto, tenor, and bass. A bad choir becomes worse when harmony is added too early. Number 3 practical ways of fixing a weak choir. Build a listening culture. Weak choirs sing but don't listen. Train them to listen to each other, not just themselves. Follow pitch from stronger singers. Watch conductor cues. Choir is equal to one voice, not individual. Number 4 practical ways of raising a weak choir. Break down songs slowly. Never rehearse full songs immediately. Let me tell you the methods to use. Teach line by line, then section by section, then combine. For example, you take soprano first, you teach them their parts. Then you take alto, you teach them their parts. Then tenor will follow, bass will follow. Then you now match them together. Number 5 practical ways of fixing a weak choir. Strengthen weak sections individually. Most choirs fail because of uneven section. This is how to fix them. Give extra rehearsal to weak parts, often tenor or bass. Pair weak singers with strong ones. Do sectional rehearsals weekly. Number 6 practical ways of fixing a weak choir. Introduce basic music understanding. They don't need full theory, but basics matter. Teach them what is melody. Teach them what is harmony. Teach them what is timing, like beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When singers understand music, they improve faster. Number 7 practical ways of raising a weak choir. Use repetition, but correctly. Repetition without correction is equal to bad habits. This is the rule. Repeat only when improving accuracy. Stop immediately when errors appear. Number 8 practical ways of raising a weak choir. Train with a leader voice. Choir needs a strong reference point. Use a keyboard, use piano or strong lead singer. Avoid starting songs without pitch reference. Number 9 practical ways of fixing a weak choir. Discipline and culture. Skill alone won't fix a weak choir. Set standards. Timekeeping, arrive early. Dress code. Rehearsal seriousness. Respect for leadership. Number 10 practical ways of raising a weak choir. Gradual progression of difficulty. Don't rush advanced songs. This is the way to do it. Start from simple hymns. They can sing the melody together, which is called unison. Then you progress to basic, which is 2-part harmony. It could be soprano and alto or soprano and tenor. Then you progress to SATB, which is soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Then progress to advanced arrangements. Let me tell you this. A choir does not improve by singing more songs, but by singing better. Each time you can subscribe for more insight.